One of the alleged members of the Klansman ONEDON Gang had asked the reputed leader to invest in cocaine to generate funds to help the gang overcome its financial challenges. "Me I tell ya dog just 2 if I know. Lift up and build up de ting ya now cah ya hear me the dog dem done say a bl, coke dem a deal with." Defendant Fabian Crocs Johnson was heard telling the ONEDON alleged leader, Andre Blackman Bryan, during one of the secretly recorded conversations. However, Blackman did not respond as it appeared that he had gotten disconnected from the call. But, while the former gang member who recorded the call tried to get him back on the line, Crocs indicated that he wanted the alleged boss to consider getting involved in cocaine distribution. It me I tell de g cuz coming like wi what offload some coke. Ting to ena cuz it the dog dem a deal with round here, Crocs said. The trial previously heard through the secret recordings that the gang was experiencing financial trouble in 2019 when the alleged leader and others members of the gang's alleged top brass were in custody. During that time, the gang was reportedly in disarray as members became disloyal and edgy. Hence, the witness explained that Crocs had suggested that the gang get into drugs as the men in his area in Denham Town in Kingston were making money from it. Prior to his suggestion, Blackman had indicated that he wanted to revive the gang. "Cah man Jews can't sit back and wait fi dem mash down manya me," Blackman had replied.
Well, good day my wonderful people. It's me again, the great. One more great. Two more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Yo, the more me listen to that gang a star, I don't even know what to say. But it seems like Croc was into money more than he was into the sick killings. Now, it seems like the rest of people, them like Blackman and them and Mama, appear killing and fuck with them depend. But it seemed like Croc did want to step out of that. Yo, you can't make money with violence. If you are hustle, I'm telling you something. You see, when you are hustle, you have to focus on money. Because if you focus on violence, you see what going to happen to you. So it's like them youth here, them did a focus on violence. Because to me, it's like them did a war with themselves and them turn upon themselves. It's like a crab in a barrel. It's like, cause nobody in a war with them. Everybody knows say, yo, I wonder on that, you know. If anything, the man them, a man and different set of man them, respect them. But the man them create chaos in them own mind, and that's all me can say. Yo, my name is Countryman. Let me know what you think about this video. Watch it. Click on another video similar to this, cause we'll eat more come about them tomato. Yo, are the worst gang in the history of Jamaica. Them create enough history, the longest trial, the most defendant, and the list goes on and on and on. But it gives us a good insight into the psyche of this unintelligent, pretty much borderline retarded gang. My name is Countryman. Peace.